as O. يعني ينطق ال وينطق O. It is very easy. Very easy. The rule is that the L is pronounced as clear L when it is followed by a vowel. If the L sound is followed by a vowel, it is clear. يعني إذا إجا ورا ال vowel sound مو letter هم تخلون على بالكم. إذا إجا ورا صوت ال صوت علة صوت vowel فنلفظها clear أو تصير ال leave, light, large, love, learn, believe, belong. بس إذا ما أجا وراها فاول يعني إذا أجا وراها أما صوت صحيح أو أجت في نهاية الكلمة ما وراها فاول مهم ما أكو وراها فاول. If there is no vowel sound it is called O. It is pronounced as O. It is dark. O. We say cold. Why? Because D is consonant, not a vowel. It is cold, not cold. Bold. Okay? Wall, not wall. Pool, not pull. Okay? This is the rule, very easy. If the O sound is followed by a vowel sound, it is pronounced as L, clear O. If the L sound is not followed by a vowel, it is pronounced as O. That's all. Then لا زالوا بعض الطلاب يدخلون لحد الآن على كل ماشي ظروفهم معروف. After the L sound, the last type of consonants is called approximants. Approximants. What do you mean by approximants? Last year you have studied them as gliding consonants, but their name, their real name, their new name is approximants. Approximants تعني أصوات اقترابية. Now I want you to pay me your attention. These three sounds, which are called gliding consonants or approximants, are the sounds R, W, and Y. The sounds R, W, and Y are called approximants. Why is that? Do you remember our speech about vowels and consonants? What is the difference between vowels and consonants? We said that the difference between vowels and consonants is that consonants are produced by an obstruction, by making an obstruction, either a full obstruction, stopping the air completely, or by making a very narrow passage to create friction. If the sound is produced in this way, it is a consonant. The vowel sound is the sound which is produced without an obstruction. So it is a matter of obstruction. If there is an obstruction, it is a consonant. If there is no obstruction, it is a vowel. What do you mean by obstruction? Obstruction means either إعاقة. What type of obstruction? It is either full obstruction, stopping the air completely, or it is a very narrow passage to create friction. Here, look at these three consonants. R, W, Y. In these three sounds, do we have an obstruction? Is there a full obstruction? Do we stop the airstream in these three sounds?
No, doctor.
No. Ra, wa, ye.
Without obstruction.
There is no full obstruction. Do we have a very narrow passage? را و ي أكو عندي تضييق شديد. هنا
No.
ذكروا تضييق شديد هو اللي يسبب لي فريكشن. هسه صار عندي فريكشن هنا ر و ي. ما أقصد الإر مالتنا إحنا الإر مالتنا كارثة، بس الإر مال الإنجليز إر ماكو اتصال بين اللسان والألف يدرج. So it's و yeah. Here also we do not have a friction. So there is no obstruction. If the sound is produced without obstruction, what do we call it? Is it a vowel or consonant?
Vowel, sir.
The sound which is produced without obstruction is a vowel. Yes, very good. Now, what do we call these three sounds? Are they vowels or consonants?
We should
These
call them vowels.
good. They are vowels. They are not consonants. They are vowels. Why? Because they are produced without any obstruction. If the sound is produced without obstruction, it is a vowel sound. If it is produced with obstruction, it is a consonant. Now, these three sounds are produced without obstruction, which means that they are vowels from the phonetic point of view. من وجهة نظر الفونetics والفونetics شنو قلنا العلم اللي يدرس إنتاج الأصوات وخصائصها. إذن هذني vowels.
So what we are classify them at consonants.
I am going to tell you. هسه أقول لك. These sounds are vowels. By the way, yeah and و are vowels in Arabic. بالعربي اليا والو أصوات علة مو أصوات صحيحة. هاء واو ياء مو صح؟ الحروف العلة وأصوات العلة ويا أب ه ويا أصوات علة بالعربي مو صح؟ In English, these three sounds are treated as consonants. English people regard these sounds as consonants. Why? They are regarded as consonants because they behave like consonants in the English sound system. These three sounds are regarded as consonants in English because they behave like يتصرفون كأنهم أصوات صحيحة في النظام الصوتي الإنجليزي. شنو يعني يتصرف؟ Yes, I am going to give you
Give an example, please.
First of all, we are studying phonology, and phonology is the study of the sound system. And we said that the sound system consists of the rules for putting sounds together. No? Have a sound system. Now, one of the rules in the English sound system, in the English phonology, we have a rule which states يعني اكو قاعدة تقول بالانجليزي the vowel sound cannot be followed by a vowel sound. الفاول ما يجي ورا فاول ما يصير بالانجليزي. The vowel sounds cannot be followed by a vowel sound. Now remember that we are speaking about sounds, not letters. When you look at English, you will not find a vowel followed by a vowel. The vowel is always followed by a consonant.